Let's take a look at number 7 from our workshop, the problem where our sisters Ileana and Melanie make cookies. Take a look at these two pieces of student work. Focus just on their representing steps. Who accurately represented to solve for the big question? Student A or student B? Look at each piece of work carefully. And when you think you know, write your letter down and take notes on why you agree with that student. Get ready to show me A or B high above your head. Who do you agree with? Show. I see some friends that agree with A and some friends that agree with student B. Whose work more accurately represents what's happening in our story to solve for the big question? Say it out loud. That's right. I heard you say that you agree with student B. Because student B solved for the big question, how many goodie bags did the sisters make? What mistake did student A make? Say it out loud. That's right. Student A made a mistake because they only answered the question, how many total cookies each sister made together. However, the big question doesn't stop there. The big question wants to know, how many goodie bags did the sisters make from their total cookies? Why does this representation help us answer the big question? Say it out loud. Why does this representation match the big question? You said this representation helps us answer the big question because it shows us dividing the total number of cookies by 12. Because in the story, it says they split, that means broke apart, the cookies into goodie bags with 12 cookies in each. The total cookies divided by 12 will give us the number of goodie bags the sisters could make. Team, as you solve problems today with many steps, it can be easy to solve 1 or 2 steps and feel like you're done. Great mathematicians always go back to the problem, reread the big question, and ask themselves, did I answer the big question yet? And did I solve any little questions I needed to first? Keep that in mind as you jump into your exit ticket.